Hello, let's just move the internal process. In next episode, we'll talk about the external process. What is the external process? The external process is the weathering, erosion, and the denudation. They are called the denudation. 剝蝕作用. Okay, let's move to the volcanicity in internal process volcanicity first. The volcanicity in Hong Kong is active in the 白堊紀 period, and because in 145 million ago and 160 years ago, Hong Kong is located in the destructive plate boundaries along the plate boundaries. Therefore, the volcanic eruption is often in the Hong Kong and the Cyclone Island, and also this is a 破火山口啊。一個 chamber 嚟嘅 magma chamber. You can see it 呢個破火山口 and not only about cyclone, but also the Daimoshan is also volcanoes, and also the you can see the Lantau Island is also formed by the volcanoes. Therefore, they are also tough and violent. Okay, because it's the destructive plate boundaries, two plates collide, and the denser plates of that which is the denser plate is the Philippines plate, because Philippines plate is the oceanic plate. Okay, after that, the volcanic eruption in Hong Kong High Island. A large volume of the volcanic ash erupt in the Earth's surface, and the extrusive volcanicity take part, and the volcanic ash cooled and solidified. The formation of tuff. Okay, after that is the hexagonic joints and formed by each pairs. 點解會 hexagonic joints? Because the cooling rate is different. The cooling rate is from the hexagonic joints. Hexagonic cracks is from the outside to the center. You can see it. The cooling and solidified rate is in the outer part is faster than the center. Therefore, the hexagonic joints has formed in different cooling times. Lastly, the cooling of the solidified form in the top, 由上至下 and the top to the bottom part of the tuff. Since then, eventually it results the column joints pattern as hexagonic 六邊形 hexagonic column joints. You can see it in the Hong Kong at High Island, the formation. For more details, the Hong Kong is located in the volcanic. Hong Kong had the volcanoes in 100 million years ago. Okay. The intrusive is the land rock batholith. When you see the land rock, they have the perpendicular joints. When you see the volcanic, when the tuff and the cyclone, it is the hexagonic column joints. 六邊形啊嘛. Okay. Let's just move to the folding. The folding in Hong Kong is not as significant, but we have folding in the 馬士洲, and also we have folding in the Port Island, 嗰個叫做赤洲 Port Island. 醒唔起中文名啊? The Port Island and the 馬士洲 is formed by the compressional force, but it is not the truth because long time ago, this is a ripple rock. Long time ago 咧，其實根本咧佢係 slump folding 啊 ，SLUMP 啊 ，floating。 又寫錯字。slum folding 係本身巢皮啊，本身佢就已經係巢皮，所以呢個係 slum folding。但係佢考評局就話係 compressional force，咁我哋就要背佢個指引咧 compressional force 啦。咁原本嘅 rock stratum 咧就會變咗 flow 咗啦。You can see it and you need to draw it in the exam in 2014. Remember it. Lastly is the internal process of the extrusive volcanicity products this landscape. I talked it here before. You need to replay it now. After that lastly is the faulting. When we talk about faulting, we need to have idea about the Hong Kong faulting system. Hong Kong faulting system have major two. Firstly is the Ch.8 faulting system. Another is the Tulu Harbour Channel the faulting system. And we have a Thailand faulting system also, but this is not the major. It is a minor one. You can see it that Ch.8 is along the what? This is the time ocean. Time ocean, when you see time ocean, the time ocean has the bay, not bay has a rectangular draining system. 即係佢係正方形has a rectangular draining system. After that, you can see it. The faulting system are leading the valley. You can see valley. The Shatin Valley, the Kam田Valley 唔記得咗點讀，中文我唔係好識。跟住also this is we can have a bay and valley. After that is we can find the lowland valley and the bay and the rock intersect. And denotation 你可以見到兩座山分開咗，例如沙頭角啦 ，the time ocean and the time ocean and 呢個係叫做大刀印大刀印咧係因為呢個 faulting 所以分開咗嘅。咁你又可以見到呢度啦，呢個係叫做芝麻灣 Peninsula 芝麻灣半島芝麻灣半島就係同嗰啲山分開咗。你亦都可以見到梅窩 is by the faulting. You can see the bay. 梅窩係一個 bay 嚟嘅，窩係個 bay 嚟咁你就一定要背啦，背完呢個咧，呢個要寫6分嘅 essay， 咁就搞掂啦。下一堂就會即係下條片就會講 external process。